how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome again to my channel, English with Malak, in another video. I'm really sorry guys because I didn't post any videos these 2 weeks and I know that. This video will be so special because we are going to talk about 5 tips to learn and improve your English for beginners and intermediate. Okay? So if you are ready, let's begin with tip number 1. The first tip is to listen to English every day. You have to listen, for example, songs, cartoons, films, or maybe short videos, or also podcasts. Why? Because listening helps your brain memorize more words and more sounds. Like I will give you some channels that will help you improve your listening. First channel is super simple songs, and that will help you a lot, like improving your English words if you are beginner. This channel is so beautiful and will help you a lot improving your English words and your English sounds. Also, while listening, it's important to get your accent. For example, when I was a kid, I was watching small films or short cartoons that talk with American accents, and that way I got my American accent, as you see. The last channel is BBC Learning English. This channel is really great. I think that all of you know this channel because it's really famous, so it will help you a lot during your learning English. So let's act a little bit. I will ask for you to know how should you work. For example, you will make your AirPods or whatever, and you will start listening, for example, podcasts, because podcast has a lot of level, as you know. There will like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, and you will choose your level. Okay, I'm listening, and I listen a word, or I hear a word that I didn't understand. For example, the word average. I take a notebook or a sticky note or a paper where I can write the words that I didn't understand. For example, average. I wrote the word average. When I finish listening to this podcast, then I go to my dictionary or my phone to search for the meaning of the word average. When I write the meaning of your main language, then is the second tip. Second tip is learn new words. When I start listening and writing the word that I didn't understand and I got the meaning of each word, then every night or every morning I read these words, and that way I can remember them. Okay? So learn 3 or 5 words. That's it. 3 or 5 words are enough for you as a beginner. 3 or 5 words, and use some pictures to memorize them, and that way you can have more vocabulary in your English. Let's move to the third tip. Third tip is speak without fear. So for example, you wrote a dialogue, start practicing your pronunciation, forming phrases that enter with talking or expressing without fear. Express with English. Let's move to the fourth tip. Fourth tip is read simple English. For example, you can get short stories, you can get paragraphs, and start reading them over and over again, where you can get the meaning of each word, the meaning of the whole story. Yes, and that way you can get also the pronunciation. Let's move to the last tip of learning or improving your English. The last tip is to practice English. You will just start practicing using all the tips that we already said it before. So you will start listening in podcasts, cartoons, films, etc. You will start writing these words, and every morning or every night start reading 3 or 5 words, and that way you can improve your English. So that's it. We reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for your attention and take care. Bye.